what's going on, my dudes? As you can tell, I just got home from work, which is why I still have a brown shirt on. But we have a package from JBR, James Barron Racing. We're gonna open it up. If you can't tell, it is October. I have no idea. Hello, when, don't do that. So I have absolutely no idea when this is gonna get posted, but it is indeed October, Halloween time frame right now, which is why I have the decorations. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and slippity-do our way into here. And it is a little curvy. Well, I guess I'm gonna end up heating it up in the sun, but check that out. Oh, it's so sick. It should all just be paper in here. What is this? Thank you for your business. But of course. Yeah, that's all just paper. Yeah, sure. So this is nothing crazy. Whoop. It is a silicone little like windscreen thing. Whoop, okay. Like windscreen type of thing for the Speed. Jesus, okay. I guess I don't need to set it in the sun. Check it out. James Barron Racing, JBR. And so what this is it's gonna rest right over top of the radiator on the front portion of the engine bay. It doesn't do anything for you in regards to, I don't know, aero, which is outside of the car, or you know, airflow into the intake, or literally doesn't do anything for you. It's just cool because it's colored blue, and the whole goal of this is I'm going to be able to put the stickers on here of everything that I put into my car. So for those of y'all that are just joining the channel, I have a Tacoma and a motorcycle in the back that I've done a couple of things that might be on the channel, but on my Taco I have all of these different brands that have gone, parts and components that have gone into my truck build, and it will continue to spread up the side of the truck, which is super cool. Now, I don't want that showing on the outside of the Speed. I do have plans on wrapping it and making it pretty and all that sort of stuff, and I really don't want to ruin that outside of maybe putting my YouTube tag on it. So instead, this is what I came up with. So we have our engine bay here. We have our James Barron Racing silicone wobbly-doo, and it's basically just gonna rest right in there. That's all it is. And so it just has the little pop tab here and the little pop tab on this side that hold the plastic of the bumper in place, and it gives us a seating or a flat surface for us to put all of our little sticker decals on, which is super dope. So this is going to be a quick video, obviously, because there's nearly nothing to it. I'm going to pop this on, put a couple of my little sticker doodads in here, call it a video. Well, there you have it, my dudes. Obviously, this is nothing crazy. Not even really much to make a whole dang video off of. But I think it's cool. It's something that I wanted to order so that I could start getting those decals, those stickers thrown in there. Because I like to represent, you know, the companies that I choose to go with. I do my research. I look into all this sort of stuff, right? Because there are so many different companies that make all the different parts and pieces that you can put into a build, and you know, I go with one or another because I like the way that it looks. I like the specs that go along with it. You know, maybe it has a, you know, for performance wise, you know, it has a higher capability of doing whatever that performance part is compared to another brand's, allegedly. I don't know until you test it, but either way, I choose the brand that I do, and I want to be able to kind of represent that I have that brand. And that's the best way that I could kind of come up with doing that, other than, you know, obviously plastering the side of my car with stickers, which I don't want to do, because I'm planning on wrapping it myself, and I've got big plans for that. Hopefully it's going to look really, really cool. So it's some sort of a super smooth, like silicone type of texture. So I'm guessing that it's going to be heckin' durable. Anyways. Good. Random side note, I'll show y'all. You have to do something else here. So there's a piece of weather stripping. This right here, that sits on each of these little yellow tabs, just to minimize vibrations and all that sort of stuff with your hood touching the all the plastic parts that are down here. But you can see the trail of dust that it left. You can indeed shut the hood with this on. It just takes a little extra oomph, which I'd rather not do because I don't need it. So it's super easy to take off. You just kind of like pull to the left and then to the right in order to slide off of these tabs. I'll take these tabs off and get this all cleaned up. We'll do all that later. But as you can see now, shuts no problem. So with that, hope you guys have enjoyed. Sorry about all of the random rambling and that kind of stuff that I do at these videos. It's whatever. You guys come back for some reason. But I am happy that you're here to hang out with me and see all my stuff. Hope you have enjoyed. If you have, drop a like and a subscribe. Come back for the next, I don't know, video upgrade thing. I do have big plans. There's stuff coming up. I'm just waiting to be able to order things and waiting for things to show up in the mail and whatnot before I can get them put on the car. So anyways, hope you have enjoyed. See you next time. Be nice out.